In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out in ChatGPT. If you need to sign out of your account, this is a very quick process and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. Logging out can be especially helpful if you're using a shared computer, a public device, or simply want to keep your account secure before stepping away. To begin, go to the ChatGPT website. Once the page loads and you're signed into your account, you'll be inside the main ChatGPT interface. This is the screen where you normally see your chats, the sidebar, and your account options. From here, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This area contains the main navigation panel, and it's where you'll usually find your recent conversations and account-related controls. If your screen looks a little different, don't worry. The layout can vary slightly depending on your device or browser window size, but the option you're looking for is still in the same general place. Now direct your attention to the bottom left side of that sidebar. This is where your profile section is located. You should see your account or profile icon there. Go ahead and click on your profile. After clicking your profile, a small menu will open with account-related options. In that menu, find the logout option and click on it. This tells ChatGPT that you want to sign out of the current session. At this point, you may see a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to log out. This extra step is there to prevent you from signing out by accident, which can be useful if you click the wrong option. If that confirmation appears, simply click log out again to confirm. Once you do that, you'll be signed out of ChatGPT. And that's it, you've successfully logged out. As a quick tip, after signing out, you can check that it worked by looking for the login screen or the option to sign back in. If you ever need to access your account again, you can just return to the site and log back in with your usual method. This is a simple but important habit, especially if you're using a device that other people can access. Signing out helps protect your conversations and account settings. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to log out in ChatGPT.